Today we will see how to convert a complex number represented in polar form to rectangular form. That is, we want the values of the real part and the imaginary part given the values of r and theta without doing the mathematical calculations, but by directly using the calculator. Depending upon whether my theta is in degree or radian, firstly I'll set my calculator to degree mode or radian mode. For that I go to mode and keep pressing mode till I get degree or radian. Now degree is option 1, so I'll set press 1. Now the calculator is in degree mode. Here we can see it is D. Next, because this is a complex form, you have to set the calculator to complex, which is CMPLX. Mode is 2. Press 2. Now type the values of r and theta. For that we have to, r value is 3.605. You have to type the value of r as it is. In order to get the value of theta, we use shift, and this hyphen symbol enclosed in parenthesis, on top of it you can see the value of r angle. So you type this and type the value of theta, or that is the angle, which is 56.309. So in case if the angle is negative, then it is minus 56.309. Here the angle is positive, so I'll set it back to 56.309. And now I want to convert this to polar form, so I use shift minus. Here it says a plus bi minus, and then I press equal to, for which I'll get the real part 1.999, which is approximately equal to 2. In order to get the imaginary part, I have to do shift equal to, this will be my imaginary part, and we also see I here. If the imaginary part is negative, it will be displayed directly in the calculator itself. Now the same thing, if the theta is in radian mode, then I have to set my calculator to radian mode. Mode is 2 here, so press 2, and here if you closely observe, the calculator mode has changed to r and it is already set in complex format. Now I'll type the same value of r, which is 3.605. To type the angle, I have to use shift, this button, and if we will take the angle which is negative, instead of 0.9827, I'll make it 0.9827 negative, minus 0.9827. If the angle is negative, the imaginary part sign only changes, not the real parts. In order to convert to rectangular form, I use shift, then negative sign, and I press equal to, where I get the real part 1.999, which is approximately equal to 2 as per the calculation. Now I press shift equal to get the imaginary sign, which is minus 2.999, and I see an I here which represents the imaginary part. It is minus 3i, and according to the calculation it is 3, because here theta was taken as positive. If we take theta as negative, then we'll get negative here. The negative sign will be available in the answer directly.